guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be talking about style uniforms, why they're important, what they actually are, and how to figure out your own style uniform. So I've been using my own style uniform for the past few months or years, and it just makes getting dressed so much easier for me. And I would highly recommend for anyone who wants to make getting dressed in the morning that much easier to create your own style uniform, figure out what it is, put a little bit of time into figuring this out, and in no time you'll just have an endless amount of go-to options. So if you're looking forward to figuring out your own style uniform, definitely keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed already, I'd really appreciate if you do so. I know a lot of you guys aren't subscribed, and these are the kind of videos that I really love to make, so if you enjoy it, please do give it a like and subscribe as well. And I want to say a huge thank you to today's sponsor, Concept. Concept is a fashion app and it's full of outfit and style inspiration. It's the perfect place to go for style inspiration if you're trying to discover what your personal style or your style uniform is. And it's great because you can filter it by different occasions and different weather. So you can filter it by spring and summer, autumn and winter. And you can also filter by occasions. So you can filter for workwear, beachwear, loungewear, occasion wear, and leisure wear and things like that. So it's really useful tool. That's why I wanted to share this app with you today. It's a great place to find inspiration for your own style and maybe find new ways to style the pieces you already have in your wardrobe. My favorite feature is the filter because sometimes you only want inspiration for workwear or just for summer. So it's really great to be able to filter down like this. And I love that you can upload your own looks and keep track of your favorite outfits. I've uploaded all of my outfits from this video onto the app, so you can screenshot them from the app for inspiration if you like them. So I mentioned in my How to Find Your Personal Style video that gathering other inspiration is so important in finding your personal style and figuring out what kind of looks that you like to wear and what you enjoy. And you can use the same concept when figuring out your style uniform. And you can also use this to plan outfits for when you have your style uniform figured out. So what exactly is a style uniform? So a style uniform isn't exactly about wearing the exact same thing every single day. It's more about having a go-to formula for creating an outfit that you're going to feel amazing in and that really feels like you. So it's generally something that's going to flatter you and that's going to fit really well with your lifestyle. And with just a few little tweaks, you can make different outfit combinations. A style uniform will usually consist of the key pieces that are in your wardrobe that you wear all of the time anyway, that you might not necessarily have realised are part of your style uniform. The benefits of having a style uniform is just knowing that when you go to your wardrobe, there's always some outfits in there that you can just throw together in a matter of minutes. A style uniform can also work really well for different occasions. So it can work for workwear, for leisure wear, for meeting your girls for brunch, for running some errands, to date night, all those kind of things. So I've pulled out some of my favourite pieces in my wardrobe that I would include in my style uniform. And I'm going to talk through the pieces, why I've included them in my style uniform, why I think that they work in my uniform, and I'm going to show you some outfits as well to give you a little bit of inspiration to figure out your own. So hopefully by me talking through my style uniform, you'll get a bit of an idea on how to create yours and what yours could be. So I would kind of break my style uniform into 3 different categories, maybe 4 different categories. So I will have tops, bottoms, outerwear, and shoes. And you'll find that going through these, all the tops will have similarities, the bottoms will have similarities, the outerwear and the shoes as well. So I'm going to try and talk you through how I would change my style uniform up for different seasons as well. So I want this one to kind of be like an all year style uniform. But at a later stage I might do one a bit more in depth in autumn winter, and then I might do another one for spring summer. So starting with tops, I have a mix of jumpers and t-shirts and tank tops. But a lot of my tops for my style uniform tend to be quite basic. So they'll be in a neutral colour palette, no doubt. They will be really simple piece, nothing graphic. Like this t-shirt wouldn't necessarily be in my style uniform. So they're quite plain, all one colour, like a black colour. And most of them as well have quite a high neck, which I quite like as well. I feel like the most comfortable in. So 2 examples of this for me. One is just a crew neck black t-shirt. It's a really boxy fit. Really comfortable, really simple. Obviously a black crew neck t-shirt can fit with so many things, and that's what I love about it. And then another basic for me is a simple crew neck cashmere jumper. I have maybe 4 of these, all in different colours, but for my absolute essentials I would have my beige one, a black one and a grey one. So I haven't included all of these, I just want to show you a few pieces. But your style uniform won't be limited to just a couple of items. It could be a lot more of your wardrobe, depending on how refined your wardrobe is and how minimal it is, or how neutral it is. I guess it will just depend. For something a bit more summer friendly, I love a good tank top. So something like this, I really love to wear in the summer. Again, it has a high neck and it's just really simple, but I know this shape really suits me. I really like the shape of my shoulders when I wear, and my arms when I wear a top like this. So I have one in brown and I have one in black as well. So they have been my most worn tops for summer, and they just go with everything. For something more occasion wear based, if it was maybe like a dressier occasion, this would be my go-to top. It's just a little black silk cami, really comfortable, really easy to wear, just a throw on and go piece. The only difference is it is a slightly lower neckline, obviously, but I think that's kind of why I like it as well. And it's not super low, it's still quite modest, but it's such a handy little piece. And I just have a black one. I don't really need any other camis in any other colours because this one just does the job. And then for more autumn and winter, I would have a kind of like a chunky oversized jumper. This one has a really nice high crew neck. It's quite oversized, but it's still not too long and it still tucks in nicely. And I also have another kind of black oversized jumpers. They kind of fit into the same category. So for bottoms, I've only really included one style of bottoms, which is what I feel the most comfortable in right now, and that is a pair of straight leg jeans or trousers. So I've included two really basic pairs of jeans, so a really nice light wash blue denim, and I have a dark blue denim as well. These are my People Tree jeans. I love these. I haven't actually gotten a lot of wear of them in summer. I will reach for my light wash ones more, but in autumn and winter I really love the dark wash. For something a little bit different, I have a pair of white straight leg denim, and I also have a leopard print pair of straight leg jeans. The fit on these is also similar, and it's the fit that I love and it's the fit that I feel comfortable in. But it doesn't have to be boring, so you can go for something a bit more, well, like a subtle statement. Instead of a blue denim, you can go for a white, and then instead of that, you can just go for a print. But I feel just as comfortable in a leopard print pair of trousers as any plain pair. And then for my winter alternative, I have a pair of faux leather straight leg trousers. They're a really similar fit to my jeans, so it actually makes them really easy to wear and really easy to style. And I love to reach for these in like the colder months. So because all of these bottoms are the same, and they're such a simple style, I know that they go with every single top I have here. So your style uniform doesn't have to be just one outfit. It's basically these 5 bottoms with these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tops. That's 30 outfits there. And then I like to throw on a piece of outerwear. So I won't always do this. Sometimes it will be just jeans and a jumper and whatever coat I'm wearing that season. If it's winter, it'll be a big woolly coat. But if it's an outfit that I just want to add a little bit more something to, I will throw on an outerwear piece. So this is my third item of my outfit. So we have top and a bottom. Let's grab an outerwear. So something as simple as a basic blazer. It's just a really nice collarless blazer. It's slightly oversized on me, fits really nicely over jumpers and things like that, which is really important because a jumper is in my personal style. If I'm wearing a super plain outfit, I might throw on a check blazer. This one you should have seen loads of because I've had this for years and years, and I actually wore it so much last autumn and winter, and I think summer as well. For winter alternative, I might throw on this leather blazer. This was a secondhand vintage leather piece that I picked up in Camden Market. Absolutely love it, but it finishes the look really nicely. For the spring summer alternative, or kind of autumn as well, I might throw my trench coat over. Really classic piece. I just feel really comfortable in this. And then when it's summer and I'm not really wearing outerwear so much, I might throw just an open shirt over an outfit. Say I was wearing one of those sleeveless tops and I just wanted an extra layer, I might just throw on a little shirt. So that's the third piece of the outfits. And the final piece of the outfit is shoes, obviously. So because I've picked quite basic looks, so these are like go-to looks when you just need an outfit in a hurry, or you don't want to think about what to wear to work. You want really quick, easy looks. So plain tops, plain bottoms, possible plain outerwear, but maybe a little bit of print or maybe a little bit of colour. But this is where the footwear comes in. When you want to switch up your looks because you feel like you're wearing the same outfits every day, you can switch up your shoes and it will completely transform your outfits. I mentioned in my video last week, style tips that you should know. I mentioned that my go-to formula for not being too dressed up or too dressed down is to put dressy outfits with a more casual shoe and more casual outfits with a dressy shoe. And I think this is where the casual outfits with a dressy shoe comes in, because if you throw on a really nice pair of heels with just a basic jumper and jeans outfit, it's going to look really impeccable and it's going to look really stylish. And I think that's the key here as well, is to figure out what your personal style is and how to quickly throw together a really quick outfit that just looks stylish, that you haven't really had to think much about. So one of my go-to pairs of shoes is just a basic pair of trainers or Converse, like these ones. Again, because it's similar colour palette, it really just goes with everything. And I know this style goes with a nice straight leg jean because they just kind of sit over the top. So for my style uniform, trainers is a great one. I might throw on a mid heel. So if I was looking to dress up an outfit, I would throw this on. It's still really comfortable because it's such a low heel, and it's a lovely day heel. And again, like I said, if you wanted to throw on a pair of jeans and a jumper and just like these heels, it would look really, really good. And if I'm looking for something a bit extra, then I'll throw on a bit more of a statement shoe. So perhaps I wouldn't wear these shoes with my leopard print jeans, but the other 4 pairs I definitely would. And I just think these really add like a finishing touch to an outfit. And that's really important as well when you're working with basic outfits. And my final pair of shoes are these nude, kind of peachy tan ballet flats or flat shoes. I've worn these a ton as well, and I just find that because they're such a basic shoe that they just go with everything. So this is the kind of shoe that I could throw on with any outfit because they kind of just look like an extension of your feet. Style uniform shoes right there. So I want to throw together some outfits for you guys to show you how I put these together and to show you how, because I've chosen very similar pieces, so my tops are very similar, they're very similar qualities, and similar qualities for my bottoms and my outerwear, that everything just mixes and matches. So this is basically, could be like a little basic wardrobe. I basically have 20 pieces here. It's kind of like its own little capsule wardrobe. So I have a little style uniform capsule wardrobe that if I was to take these 20 pieces anywhere with me, I know that every outfit I wore would be 100% my style. So let's get on to the outfits. enjoyed that video, do let me know in the comments which outfit was your favourite. And also, if you have figured out by the end of this video what you think your style uniform is, drop me a comment as well and let me know, because I think it'd be really good for us to discuss this in the comments, and maybe we can get ideas from each other, because you might get better idea from someone else who leaves a comment than you might from my personal uniform. So do let me know. Don't forget to check out Concept as well. It is a free app. You can download it in the App Store. They are working on bringing it out for Android as well. So I'll try to update my video whenever I find out when it's available for Android. I'll update it in the description box. So whenever you're watching this video in the future, you'll know if you can download it for iPhone or for Android as well. I also uploaded a few extra outfits that I styled up with these 20 pieces. I've uploaded all of the photos of each outfit that I've styled in the video, and I think maybe 5 extra. So do be sure to check those out, and thank you so much again for watching the video. Thank you to Concept for sponsoring it. It's super exciting. So if you do like the video, be sure to like it, subscribe if you don't want to miss next week's video, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.